So in packages, there is a package that would allow you to search Google Maps, and I believe it will fetch 20 results. Okay, and then there's an extension that would allow you to fetch up to 100 results, right? I think by going through the first 5 pages. Right, so over here, I have one that will fetch some results. I can't remember whether it's 10 or 20, but it can be extended, right? But just for this demo, I think I change it to, I think, maybe 20 results. Okay. So over here, we just need to search for something. So in this demo, I will search for Korean buffet, right? And because I'm living in Singapore, Korean buffet is one of those very affordable buffets that Singaporeans, will flock to. Right, so I want it in JSON, right? You can have this in CSV or JSON format, and I want it in JSON because then you can take the results and continue to nourish it, right, by sending somewhere else, right? Maybe to automate, whatever. So over here, oh yeah, this package will also take between, I think, 45 to 75 seconds, okay, to no, sorry, it's not package, but I think 45 to 75 seconds to extract, okay, the results of Google Maps and then to tidy up for me, right? So again, I'm also using AI at the back to tidy up, right? Um, yeah, so while that is happening, we can take a look at Cat's typing, right? So it should be ready anytime now. Now the result that I'm getting with this script slightly different because apart from the address, the name of the business, the link to the business. I'm also script and the ratings, for example, right? And the number of reviews. I'm also scripting things like the first comment, right? Which is I think it's quite huge on Google these days because people do look at that and they get influenced, right? And also if they do delivery, right? So if you take a look at this, the services, right? Is there a dine-in? Or is this a dine-in, right? Is there takeaway? Is there delivery? Right? So some of these services they do have takeaway and delivery, and some they don't. Okay, so now with this result, okay, let's say you know just extracting this. Yes, I believe it's 20 and give it increase. Right, so then I'm going to okay, so this is the to clean this up, right? And usually at line 9 or 10, there's always a comma that shouldn't appear. Right, so this is from testing. I realized that AI doesn't always get it right, but not a problem, right? It's just removing that comma. So I'm just okay. So this has been converted to CSV already, so you can save the file and then open it in Google Maps. Now I'm just going to copy this clipboard. Sorry, use a clipboard to copy this, and then I'm going to this converter here, JSON to CSV converter, right? And I can show you that this uh, is the extracted result. So I have the name of the business, the address, the phone, the reviews, the ratings, the services. Now, can you do it a different way? Yeah, of course, you can just open up Google Maps and then open up Zerowork, for example, and then find the selectors and then build automation to just copy this. Or you can get a scraper of AppSumo or something, and then you can just put in the search term and then they can scrape all the results. I think Outscraper is one such example. Right. So, but of course, you can also do it with Chatbot. You can do it with packages. Right. There's so many ways you can extract the results. It's not that you can only do this in packages. Okay, but packages has that, and here's the automation. It's already built, right? If not, there are other ways of doing it, right? So it's not like you have to buy a dedicated tool. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So anyway, that's the purpose of this video to show that sometimes if you understand what packages is trying to do, you can actually deconstruct that and build that somewhere else, right? So both the newsletter and this Google Map, um, automation, it's very, very common. I mean, the newsletter is something nice to have, and I thought I will be using packages to provide a service, right? So I would need a lot of credits, but I could also use the chatbot to achieve that, right? And then Google Maps, usually I have Outscraper, and I have several automations using TaskMagic and Zerowork to scrape all this data. But now I also have a chatbot. Yeah, so depending on like what is it they want. So sometimes I just want a light script, all right? Then I can just use this chatbot and put in a term, and I get all this because maybe I'm planning, right, to bring some friends out for dinner, and so I can just key in this and then check the restaurant if I could do a reservation, right? So this will be very useful because I would be able to see if they have takeaway or delivery just at a glance, right? Yep. So that's all for this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you again. Bye.